So, I wanted to jump on here today. Let me make sure you guys can hear me. Okay. All right. And so I wanted to jump on here today to share a strategy that's worked for a couple of other clients and also for myself when I was looking for a new high-paying job. And so one of the strategies that I used was one of the strategies that I use is I actually put together a learning and development budget, almost similar to what you would do when you're like going through college. And so you put together a specific budget that you are following so that you could finish that degree. So you said that you're going to spend like a certain amount on completing that degree. And so you should have a budget that's specifically for education, learning and development, getting books and things like that so that you can hone in on your craft within your industry. And within that budget, you'll find yourself in many different programs. And so for most of our clients, they earn between $100,000 and $400,000 per year, right? But one of the things that I've noticed over the years is that all of them have businesses themselves. You guys have businesses as well. So you may be able to resonate what I am going to share with you here today as far as like creating a budget and things like that. So grab your pen and paper. I'm going to share with you some things that have helped me and also to help you put you in a more positive mindset as you continue to move forwards with your job search so that you're not frustrated, about the entire process. And yeah, so I'll just leave it there. If you're watching this live, make sure that you type live. And if you're watching the replay, make sure that you type replay. And also let me know if this resonates with you as well. And so it's similar to going to schools, right? And so in my career, within your career, and some of you guys, you might have ended up in different places where you went to different schools. Might have transferred to a different school. You might have started out at the community college and transferred over to the university, one of those type of situations. Or maybe you couldn't afford a certain school and you jumped to a different school. Or maybe you had that first year itch and didn't do very well and then had to take a gap year break or something like that. Or whatever the case may be. It's the same thing when you're searching for a new high-paying job. And so make sure that when you're searching when you jump to another program like that, you looking for the answer to your question and you're not getting the results that you want. And sometimes you can forget that other program maybe had like at least one little nugget that you could take away from it. And so to help you move forwards with your job search on a positive note, take a look at that other program and say to yourself, well, maybe I didn't have like a resume at all. Now I got something, to start with. And just take a look and see what like a little nugget is that you can pull from that, right? The second thing is to make sure that you have a research and development budget. It's almost like investing. You're investing in yourself, but it's almost like investing, period. And so this is money that's disposable to you that you can use to consistently grow and advance in your career. And so most people have businesses, and so you in your business, you set quarterly goals, you set weekly goals, you set monthly goals, and things like that. And so that's the same thing you want to do with your job search. Make sure that you are also setting weekly, monthly goals and things like that to help you keep that momentum, to help you keep moving forwards with your job search. And so first, use some of the strategies that you already know about how to, find a new job. If you're coming from a different program and you weren't, you didn't have any luck in that program, look at that program and see, maybe someone just wrote your resume for you and it didn't get any responses. There was something there that you didn't have before you joined, you signed up with them. So find out what that is. that's going to help you continue to move forwards to that next level. And so make sure that you are not taking, that you're moving forward on a positive note, a more positive note is what I'm saying. And so I'm going to leave it at that. And I hope this was helpful to you guys today. Let me know what you're struggling with specifically as you continue to search for a new job out there. And you come with questions, you come with questions to specific things. It doesn't matter how small it is, whether or not you should add a specific keyword, or what, my client reached out yesterday and asked me if the message she had typed up was relevant to, was that going to be good enough for the recruiter. The recruiter was offering her a certain amount of pay, but it was well below what she was willing to accept at this particular time. And so things like that, shoot me a message, copy and paste that message into that email or letter that you want to send to that recruiter. Send that to me in a message, or send it in this private community, because when you share that information with the community and you begin to get feedback from other people outside of just myself, you begin to consistently grow. And so your network, the people that you're networking with, the community of people in the many different communities, is what's going to help you get to the next level in your career. So regardless of where you are right now, I believe that you can reach whatever goal that you do set for yourself. So whether you believe you can or you believe you can't, you're 100% right. And so I'll see you guys in the next video.